Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. From the title of this video, we already know what video we're gonna be making today, so please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, and turn your notification bell on. So we're gonna be needing some garlic cloves, one bell pepper. You can use whatever color bell pepper you like, but I like the green for this one. Some green onions, some leeks. Of course, there's no green spices mixed without leeks, okay? And of course, celery, king celery. I love celery. And some ginger roots. And my onions is somewhere in there if I didn't mention that. But yeah, just go look at all that dirt. You want to run this on the water and like use a toothbrush to scrub everything up nicely and cut off the dead ends with your knife, because you won't need it and you don't know where those dead ends touched. Okay, cut off everything and like, oh, look at that dirt. Yeah, you don't spoil your food with like dirt, so cut that off, clean it well on the running water, open every like strand and let it water touch it. Okay, please don't be eating dirty food. That's not okay. Make sure you're using a brush or like something to like scrub it in and like take out all the dirt. This is so sandy. Like, if you don't wash your ingredients before cooking it, you're gonna ruin your food, and you don't want that. It costs so much money to like buy these things. Why do you want to waste your money on this? So while I eat, please guys, just go ahead and like this video. Like, what have I done to some of you guys? You guys keep coming and you guys don't subscribe. Please just go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video to your family members, everybody. This just helps motivate me to know what kind of videos you guys like. At least, you know, I'm trying. Give me small credit now. Stop playing hard to get. What do I need to do now for you to like me, to give me a like on this video? Thank you so much for liking. I see you. Thank you. Yeah, just go ahead and wash everything, cut it up, and just put it away. As I'm washing, I'm cleaning, I'm just chopping them off and like putting it into my pot. Okay, also loves, all of these ingredients can be found at any local grocery store, or you can check an Asian store to see if you find these ingredients. Also, I'm gonna be putting a list of my shopping list, or a list of all these ingredients, in the description box. That way you can take a screenshot of it, or like just take it to a grocery store and look at it and see what you need to get. Also, soaking your garlic in water helps to like soften it for easier peeling. I always do that. It's a trick my mother taught me. For that other garlic was really bad, so just throw it away. Use a brush again to like scrub your veggies. You guys know you know how we clean over here. We're good, okay? We're clean freaks over here, so just do that and just chop up everything. Take out what you think shouldn't be inside, and then blend it, or like chop it into like little pieces as you see it on here. The hardest part of cooking is always prepping your ingredients. Doing all of this cuts like so much, like about an hour of like your cooking time when you're cooking. Put it in a pot, add a little bit of water to it, and cook it on high heat for about 10 minutes. That's already done. I'm just going to be putting it in the blender. Make sure you let it cool off. I didn't let it cool off because I was in a haste and I was trying to just hasten over my things, but make sure you cool off before you blend it, and that will be pretty much be it. Thank you guys so much for liking this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I really sincerely appreciate every one of you. I hope you have a great Xmas and with your family, and make sure you try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys later, loves. Bye.